We're looking at a DVD 34 Gold Star, but with a Pearson electric start conversion. We've further modified this to operate the electric start from the valve lift lever. So the valve lift, which you would normally have to pull before pressing a button to start, we've got a switch connected to the cable, so it automatically operates the starter motor when you operate the valve lift. However, to prevent inadvertent operation of the valve lift, we've got a safety button. The safety button is on the right hand side of the handlebar. That to operate the starter, you energize the starter and then operates the lever. That prevents the lever being pulled inadvertently or to stop the engine, which actually would start the starter motor. So to start the engine, we've got the petrol, we'll turn the petrol on. Tickle the...
Yeah, tickled anyway.
On this particular one, we've got a preferential spot for the advanced and retard, which is about in the middle of its travel. We have the extra air lever closed, a small amount of throttle because there's no tick over on the racing carburetor. Energize the button and now just